Let's talk about the FM radio for your BYD. Model here is Atto 3 Ultra. How to set the FM radio station? Let's go in. All channels, my favorites, right? This. Let it scan for a while. Alright, done. Let's go here. Total search 36. To add in your favorites, just click this. Just tap on the heart or love, whatever you name it. And it's over here. For the station that you don't want, you can just remove by tap on this. And then to switch the channel on your steering wheel, right, it's over here, left or right. But to switch the channel, it's at your all channels. It's not on your favorites lah. It's not on your favorites. To select from your steering wheel is over here. It's on all your channels. So I would suggest that you choose the station that you want. You keep it. Alright? You can either favorite or unfavorite, is okay. Just remove the channel that you are not going to listen. This is how you set your FM radio. For Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, maybe you can check my video here. Thank you.